Hello and welcome to our letters challenge for February 2019. Today is the day number 20 and we are lettering honor the small things. Have fun! For the material I will be using marker colors. This is beautiful to blend. I have white gel pen and a golden one gel pen. My other white is Copic. This is very nice to use. They have a very fine line. And my aqua brush. We need some washi tapes to fix the paper and some paper. I am using one that led to blend, and this will be the layout I want to use as a reference. I want something like this. So let's do this. Have fun. And now it's done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I want to read your comments. Please let me know if you like it. Have a great day and honor the small things. Bye!